try and pronounce that. But anyway, here we are. This came yesterday from China, ordered on AliExpress about 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, this is a Sunny Life remote controller holder on bicycle for Mini 2 Mavic Air2 Air2s. So I saw this on Ali and thought I would give it a go. It cost me, believe it or not, £12.47 to get it delivered to the UK. So bear with me, I'm going to do this with one hand, or I'm going to try. I'm going to put that down. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Did I say that a lot? Stay with me. So for £12.47, this is what you get for £12.47. One, two, that's it. 1, 2, and 3. So there we go, £12.47 for the remote control holder for the DJI Air2s. Now then, if you've watched our recent video, a trip to Scotland and the Isle of Mull, we struggled on a little bit, and we ended up strapping the controller to the fuel tank of the bike with a cargo net. So I thought, after seeing this, we will give it a go. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. These are obviously metal parts there, plastic. Yeah, for £12.47, is it any good? That's how much it cost to buy this remote control holder for the DJI Air2s, delivered to a UK address. And obviously, as you can tell, this is meant for the handlebar of the motorbike. So obviously we just clip into there, sits on there, clips into this bit. I can't do it because I've got one hand, but you get, I'm sure you know, you've got the idea. Yeah, I did it. And you know, I think that's going to be some sort of size on the handlebars. Will it fit? Block out all your dashboard, all your clocks. Anyway, we'll give it a go. Quite excited to see what it's like on the bike.